Well, one drawer out of four pretty much completely cabled. I do need a MIDI jumper from this LVX to this MIDI full English, but got one drawer finished. Starting on the second drawer, it's not completely done, but it's almost finished. I gotta connect the mic in to my patch bay in the back, and the MIDI in here, which is coming from the MIDI through here, and the MIDI in of here, which will go up here to the iConnectivity Mio XL. Yeah, this is it's gonna take some time, but just thought I'd do a little video of what I'm doing so far. It looks like a mess up here. Believe it or not, this is gonna be pretty much organized. The reason these are here and not on a slide out is that these source audio pedals go directly into USB into my computer, and I can program it from their editors, and so I don't need to actually get to these. That's why that's a benefit for me. Yeah, I got these DIs for my Ableton out direct to the main mixer, and a DI out from my vocal synth thing. That's what this LVX is. It's coming, the vocals actually going from the Voice Live 3 into the LVX through the switcher, and then the LVX out is going to the main, front of house stuff. So yeah, this looks like craziness. It is, but I really like this way I got my cable management. I found this company that made these arms like this, and it sure helps to keep it organized and put stress on the cables. When I move the drawers in and out, they can go fully out and fully in. So as you can see, I got two more to go through, and I have yet to connect the rest of my cables. I want to get more of them so that I can make sure I organize that madness back here. Boy, that switcher back here, the two switchers, the effects gizmo, two effects gizmo in there, that's madness. Once I get it connected, though, it works out really great. It's controlled by my RJM Mastermind GT, which is on my pedal board, and there's the Mission pedals. And I found this thing called an expressionator. The way I'm mounting it, it'll look upside down, but it takes the expression pedal out of one of my pedals, and I could send it to 3 different directions depending on what I need. So one will automatically go into Mastermind GT, but the others will go through the patch bay, and like one of them will go for the LVX if I need that, and the other one will go to the Roland GM800s that I am going to put at the bottom drawer down here. Guitar synth. Here's one of them. I'm waiting on the other one to arrive. And I'm going to have one of the expression outputs going directly in, instead of using MIDI to change the expression output of one of them. I'm going to have the pedal so that I could do a little bit different stuff. That's all. I got some programming ideas that I'm going to do. This is madness. This was done to be overkill. That's what it is. 2 damn H90s, 2 GM800s, microcosm, hologram microcosm dream sequence. Yeah, this is crazy. I know it is. AXFX 3, and I'll have my laptop, just to put it in the drawer, but my laptop connected to this with my Ableton push 3 so that I could use the Ableton push. So this is all about being insane. But that's what I'm known for, kinda. So sorry, y'all. This is the guitar I'm using to test everything with my Paul Reed Smith. So as I get things connected, I hook it up, make sure it works. I test cables before I wire them through a ohm meter to make sure, you know, I don't have any cold solder joints and all that other madness. But yeah, this is insane. I know it. Call me names, bash me, whatever. But when I'm done, we'll see what's up. I've done 2 large cabinets like this before, but this is the first time that I'm doing a lot of the soldering and making sure cables are correct lengths, and instead of having hundreds of feet of excess cable stuffed and packed in this thing, I'm going to have a little bit more concise wiring. I have a better cable management system. So, oh boy.